Hello friends, today we have took two trade and both of them are in our favor. Here you can see first trade was scalping where we got 10 points and second trade was totally depend on the price action. And today in this video we will see how I took trade according to simple price action strategy. And here you can see guys, my profit is 1000 plus with simple price action strategy. And let's move on the laptop screen. I'll make you understand that how I took the trade. So guys, here we are on our laptop screen and here I'll show you how I took trade according to simple price action strategy. Here if you see in the morning market opened gap down. Okay guys, market opened gap down from here to here and fall till a support level. Okay guys, which is this support level. Wait, let me mark it first. Uh, okay, 1 second. Yes. Mm, okay guys, so here you can see a support from where market tried to go up and market goes up like this and got stuck in a range after spending some time here. And what I saw a little wedge pattern here which is forming like this. And if you see in any type of stock and in any type of chart patterns, then if price action is in uptrend, then there will form a wedge pattern, okay, like this. And it will break outside. Most of the chance it breaks outside, upside, I mean upside. And here you can see that this wedge pattern break down, I mean broke down downside. Okay, so at that time I was thinking that change my mind and go for the downside view. Then I realized that I have seen many times when wedge pattern breaks from its middle position, then always it's a false breakdown or breakout. Okay, fake breakout or breakdown. And here you can see after breaking down, market got reverse and got into the wedge pattern and break the outside resistance, I mean broke the outside resistance. And if we see at 1 minute time frame, we have multi confirmation. Here you can see 1 second guys, let me remove this. Okay, so here you can see that there is also forming a W pattern. Okay guys, which we called a double bottom pattern. And here its neckline which is already broken. And my entry was here after breaking the resistance. Okay, so after getting entry, here you can see that market goes a little upside and consolidate for a while, and again it came to retest the level. Okay, so after getting retest, here we can see a sharp upside momentum and my exit was here. And we got somewhere around 30 points in this trade. And here you can see if I show you my position book. So 1 second. Here you can see 1000 plus profit. And previous trade was in profit. And I got 10 points from that trade, and totally today I got 40 points. Okay, so that's it for today guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe to know more about trading and about price action.